Welcome back MH Car Review the channel. Today, you're looking at something that completely changes the meaning of luxury on the road. This is not a regular RV. This is not a bus. And it's definitely not just a vehicle. What you're seeing is a futuristic BRABUS luxury motorhome, a rolling masterpiece designed for people who want power, comfort, and absolute exclusivity, all in one machine. At first glance, the design alone tells you this vehicle is on another level. The sharp aerodynamic lines, aggressive stance, and low, wide profile make it look more like a futuristic supercar than a motorhome. Every inch of this exterior has been crafted to turn heads and dominate highways across America. The front design is bold and commanding. The massive panoramic windshield offers a clear, wide view of the road ahead, while the sleek LED lighting gives it a high-tech, almost sci-fi appearance. The body is fully enclosed with smooth aerodynamic panels, improving stability and performance even at high speeds. This motorhome sits on a powerful triple-axle setup, ensuring superior balance, strength, and control. Those wide performance wheels aren't just for looks, they're built to support serious weight while delivering a smooth and confident ride. Whether you're cruising through city streets or open highways, this vehicle feels planted, solid, and unstoppable. Now let's step inside, because this is where the real magic begins. The driver's cockpit feels like a command center straight out of a luxury jet. A fully digital dashboard wraps around the driver, displaying navigation, vehicle data, camera views, and smart driving systems. Premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and brushed metal surfaces surround you, creating an atmosphere of power and sophistication. Driving a vehicle of this size feels surprisingly effortless thanks to advanced technology. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, 360-degree cameras, collision detection, and intelligent braking systems work together to deliver a safe and stress-free driving experience. Behind the cockpit, the living space opens up into a world of pure luxury. This interior feels more like a high-end penthouse than a motorhome. Soft ambient lighting, modern textures, and a clean, minimalist layout create a calm and elegant environment. The lounge area features plush seating designed for maximum comfort. Whether you're relaxing, watching movies, or entertaining guests, this space delivers a true first-class experience. A large smart TV, premium surround sound system, and smart glass windows allow you to control privacy and lighting with the touch of a button. Next up is the kitchen, and yes, it's fully equipped. This is not a basic RV kitchen. It includes a sleek induction cooktop, built-in oven, high-end refrigerator, coffee machine, and plenty of hidden storage. Everything is seamlessly integrated to keep the space clean, modern, and functional. You can cook full meals on the road just like you would at home, except now your home moves with you. The dining area is designed for both comfort and style. Whether you're enjoying breakfast with a view of the mountains or dinner parked near the coast, this motorhome turns every meal into an experience. As we move toward the rear, you'll find the master bedroom, a private luxury suite on wheels. The king-size bed is designed for long journeys and deep rest, featuring premium mattresses, adjustable positions, and soft ambient lighting. The space is sound insulated, ensuring peace and quiet no matter where you are. Storage compartments are cleverly hidden, keeping the bedroom spacious and clutter-free. There's also a private entertainment system, allowing you to relax and unwind in complete comfort. And yes, there's a luxury bathroom on board. A full-size rainfall shower, modern sink, smart mirror, and high-quality finishes make this space feel like a 5-star hotel spa. Heated flooring and advanced water systems ensure comfort in all conditions. This motorhome is packed with smart technology. From climate control and lighting to entertainment and security, everything can be controlled through a central touchscreen or mobile app. Solar panels and advanced battery systems allow for extended off-grid travel without sacrificing luxury. Under the hood, this beast delivers serious performance. A powerful engine provides smooth acceleration, massive torque, and confident cruising on long American highways. Adaptive air suspension ensures a comfortable ride, even on rough roads. Despite its massive size, this motorhome handles like a premium luxury vehicle. It's stable, quiet, and incredibly refined. So who is this vehicle for? This is not for the average traveler. This is for visionaries, entrepreneurs, celebrities, and luxury lovers who refuse to compromise. It's for those who want freedom without giving up comfort. For those who want to travel America in absolute style. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a statement. It's a lifestyle. It's the future of luxury travel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because this is where the future of cars and luxury begins.